What's going on, you guys? My name is Andy, and in this video we're going to be talking about the iPhone 12 versus the iPhone 13. The reason why I'm comparing these two iPhones is because I've owned this one, the iPhone 12, for a year since it first came out, and I just recently bought the iPhone 13. And I thought, man, why not compare it? Seeing if you guys have this, do you guys need to upgrade from owning these two phones? I'm gonna start with like the pros and the cons for it, okay? If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Andy, and in this channel we talk about photography, videography, and tech reviews. So make sure you subscribe. So let's get started with the comparison. I will let you guys know what I think in the end. Should you upgrade from the 12, and which phone would I actually choose? Okay, let's start with the iPhone 12. This phone right here has been out for a year. This is the iPhone 12, not the iPhone 12 Pro. The biggest reason why I didn't get the iPhone 12 Pro is because the iPhone 12 Pro last year was not that big of a difference. I think they were supposed to add the 120 Hz last year, but they probably couldn't get the battery to work, so they just saved it for this year. I got the iPhone 12 and it worked perfectly. The camera was good, the video camera was good, the phone felt nice, and I really just felt like it was a brand new phone that just felt really good. So then this year, they came out with the iPhone 13. The iPhone 13 Pro has a big jump from the iPhone 13. They have a better camera. Look at the lens on this versus the lens on this. The lens is a lot bigger. Look how big that circle is compared to this last year model. The camera has improved a lot. They have cinematic mode, which is amazing. Also, the phone itself feels like it weighs more. I think it's like 0.5 gram, but like when you hold it in the hand, you can completely tell the difference. And that's also because they have a better battery in this. Right now, I've used the phone pretty much all day watching videos, surfing the web, and it's about 4 o'clock and I have 45% left. And I woke up at 6. So it actually works really well. The battery does really last a long time. That's a big plus. A big battery is always better. Don't have to worry about bringing a charger or running out of batteries. Right now, I'm not even thinking about running out of battery on the new iPhone 13 Pro. This phone now has 120 Hertz. This phone, like I said, didn't have it. Even the Pro didn't have it. So 120 Hertz, is that really worth the upgrade? Okay, what you see is like a smoother transition, meaning like, let's say you were scrolling left and right, maybe surfing the web, it just all seems and looks smoother, which actually looks better. This, it still has that like jitter feeling, but you wouldn't even notice the difference if you don't know what you're looking for. When you're using it on a daily, you might not even notice it after a while. The only thing is that when you're using it right, and you're kind of moving it left and right, and you're moving it around, it starts to begin to feel super smooth. And then something like that feels a little bit older. But is it worth the money? And honestly, I think that's pretty much all that's different. This year's model isn't that big of a difference as last year's model, comparing the specs and what you're really getting out of it. If you guys have the 12, you definitely don't need to upgrade to the 13. At least not this year at all. So maybe you can wait for next year. If you guys had like the iPhone 10, I think it's about time that if you guys were to upgrade, go ahead and get the 13. But if you guys like a new phone but just not want to pay the premium price for it, the 12 is just fine. And it's a lot cheaper now than the 13 because, like I said, it's used. And if you're getting the 12, get a used one. Don't get a brand new 12. It just doesn't make sense. If you're gonna get brand new, just get the 13. So personally, the 11, you may upgrade if you really need it, but you honestly can wait till next year. Because if you upgrade now, you're gonna hit next year and they're gonna do a complete remodel and it's gonna hurt. So personally, I wouldn't upgrade to the 13 if I had the 11 or the 12. Anything below that, go ahead, make that upgrade, because that your phone probably just feels super old now. Super old. Alright, you guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment below. Would you guys upgrade to the 11 Pro, or maybe you guys should hold out? My name is Andy Tran. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if this video helped you at all, and stay tuned for future video. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.